Now, there are at least 14 seats which the Congress party has spelled doom for the Aam Aadmi Party, including the New Delhi seat from which the Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal has lost. Let's listen in when we talk about these 14 seats, because were these 14 seats that became Aapda, especially when it comes to the Congress party cutting into the vote bank of the Aam Aadmi Party. As we speak of the New Delhi seat, it is BJP's Parvesh Verma who has won, Arvind Kejriwal losing by over 4,000 votes, Sandeep Dixit getting 4,568 votes. So if that 4,068 votes, 568 votes had gone to Arvind Kejriwal of the Aam Aadmi Party, then he had high chances of winning the seat of New Delhi. Let's talk about Jangpura as well. Tarvinder Singh Marwa winning from the BJP side. Manish Sisodia, their very close margin, only of 675 votes. However, when it comes to Farhad Suri of the Congress party, getting over 7,350 votes. And that, if it would have been added as far as to Manish Sisodia's vote bank, if the Congress party hadn't cut, then here also was a chance for Sisodia to win the Jangpura seat. Let's talk about another seat, which is Mehrauli. Here again, the BJP candidate winning. However, when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party, losing by 1,782 votes. And however, when it comes to the Congress candidate, they are getting over 9,300 seats. So this is where, as far as comparisons that can be drawn to at least 14 of the seats. Let's talk about Badli now. When it comes to the other seat, here is again, when we are looking at the BJP candidate, it is now a wave of saffron that is now taken over when it comes to the national capital. Rajesh Yadav of the Aam Aadmi Party trailing by over 15,000 votes. However, when it comes to Devendra Yadav of the Congress party getting 41,071 votes. So you can see, as far as these comparisons that has now been drawn, a similar picture can also be seen at Rajendra Nagar when it comes to here as well, when it comes to the BJP candidate winning. Durgesh Pathak, another senior leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, losing by 1,231 votes. However, when it comes to Vineet Yadav of the Congress getting 4,015 votes. So all of this, as far as when it comes to the Congress party percentage here as well, because here again did not manage to get or win even a single seat. Let's talk about even when it comes to the seat of Kasturba Nagar, Neeraj Basoya, Congress's Abhishek Dutt has done better. When it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party, we are looking at even when it comes to the big wigs of the Aam Aadmi Party that failed to win a single seat, except when it comes to Atishi. Now let's talk about the Chhatarpur seat. Kartar Singh Tanwar there, BJP winning here. Brahm Singh Tanwar of the Aam Aadmi Party losing by over 6,000 votes. Rajinder Singh Tanwar, however, of the Congress party getting a similar kind of a vote bank as well. But here it seems that the Congress party is cutting into the Aam Aadmi Party's vote bank once again. Now, if we talk about Greater Kerala, this has been one of the most high prestige battle that we talk about, which is the GK area, the Greater Kerala seat. Shikha Roy of the BJP there winning, Saurabh Bhardwaj there, Aam Aadmi Party minister losing by over 3,000 votes. However, when it comes to Garvit Singhvi of the Congress party getting over 6,700 votes. So that has been the story that played out in GK. Let's talk about Trilok Puri now. Ravi Kant of the BJP there winning. However, Anjana Parcha of the Aam Aadmi Party losing by 392 votes. Here is the Congress party candidate performing better than the Aam Aadmi Party candidate, getting over 6,000 votes. Let's talk about other seats there as well, because we've been speaking of at least 14 of such seats where it seems that the Congress party has cut into the vote bank of the Aam Aadmi Party. This is Mangloi Jat, where Manoj Kumar Shaukin of the BJP, who has won, Raghuvinder Shaukin of the Aam Aadmi Party loses by over a margin of 26,000 votes. However, Rohit Chaudhary of the Congress party getting over 32,000 votes. So this is a clear picture that we are now getting, especially when it comes to Timarpur. This is a similar story that seems to be playing. Let's move on and get you more as far as the seats are also concerned, because a similar story that also played out in Malviya Nagar as well. Let's get in a word from Pradeep Datta.